TusStar Accelerator is a place for high-tech and high-growth enterprises to scale up their business. TusStar has built an innovation incubation network covering 90 cities around the world and incubated over 20,000 startups. On this basis, TusStar has developed centralized industrial plants serving as its accelerator in different cities. So far, TusStar has built 9 accelerators in 8 cities with an area of 13.6 thousand square meters. Here, startups are able to get TusStar's standardized supporting services such as production proofing, pilot testing, production line verification, and product qualification. Besides, with the help of TusStar Accelerator, startups can connect with the local government and access various resources such as industry, capital, and local market. In addition, the TusStar's global incubation network will also provide greater support for the enterprise global business expansion. TusStar's accelerator focuses on different industries according to local cities' advantage. For example, intelligent manufacturing is focused in Jiangsu Ningbo, health industry in Jiangsu Changshu, new material technology in Langya, UVA industry in Heze, and TusStar Fuxing IC Accelerator is dedicated to providing professional service for ICT enterprise. Except those focusing on certain industry sectors, some TusStar accelerators has their own advantages. For instance, the TusStar Accelerator in Anji manages a guiding fund for strategic industries, while the 2 accelerators in Nanjing and Xi'an are both supporting the airport economic industry cluster, which can provide product applications scenarios for enterprise in aviation, manufacturing, and other related fields. And other TusStar accelerators are built in accordance with the local needs. The accelerator in Lai'an, Chuzhou is more focused on the cognitive or high-level talent entrepreneurial projects. All these TusStar accelerators, on one hand, fully make up for the gap between enriched scientific research capital and insufficient manufacturing facilities in big cities, as well as the gap between the rich manufacturing space resources in local cities and the low industry undertaking capacity. On the other hand, TusStar's accelerators give their play to match the techno enterprise's needs, desire to grow with the city's needs, hope to develop which achieves a win-win situation.